Hello people of the internet. Today I'm going to make a little secret door so that you can hide your valuables. So what we're working here, sorry my words, what we're working with here is a few sticky pistons, some redstone dust, a singular, what's the name of it? Lever, a few repeaters, and the sandstone is the block of your choice. You could also extend it, and I do recommend it for a bigger build. So you could hide this lever into your decoration. What I'm doing here is I'm just putting away both sides, nothing a hole. So this is another tutorial. This here, we're going to leave empty. So, just working there for a second. The redstone dust repeater. Here's our first sticky piston. Here's the place that we will mount the lever. You can extend it if you want, but I am not gonna do it because it's a really small build for now. Here we're going to build a wall. Put the sticky piston on. Redstone repeater. Some redstone. And now if you turn it on, it will grab these blocks. You can always make it a bit more pretty by putting a block here. And now when you turn it off, it will take these blocks. And that's because they're sticky, so they will grab a block instead of just pushing it. They can also retract with that block. Oops. So if we power it on, it will grab the block. If we power it off, it will take the block with it. Because of the sticky side, that's also why you craft it with a slime ball. So there is a really small difference between a normal piston and a sticky piston. One is a little bit of green and one isn't. So you can, side by side, you can really see it. The normal piston doesn't have the slime on it, but the sticky piston does. Just like you have seen in my earlier videos. So now you can make a whole interior with it, just like here. I do recommend, instead of just build a little way, unless you're inside of a mountain, I wouldn't recommend it. But you could always just put a little room here that it's connected to the rest of your build, so that it's a little secret room. People will think this is the secret room, but this is the actual secret room. They can only find out if you're with more than 2 people on a server, but most likely you are not going to find this. Of course, you can put little decorations on either side. The sandstone is just a representation of any block of your choice. So you can hide your valuables next time. And this was my little tutorial for a small redstone door, for like a hidden base or something. See you next time.